Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper, the model builder, and we're going on with the Mercedes 300 SL Gullwing. Yes, the Gullwing. I've got the first stage that we're doing, which is 36 right in front of me, and we're going to all the way to, well, depending on the time I've left. So I've got 4 stages out here and another 4 over there, so I can go on if I want to. And I think I've got even another pack 7 as well. This is pack 6 as far as I remember. Yes. So let's get on to this and start with 36. This is stage 36. That's all there is to do in 36, so we're going straight to 37. We've got, these are pretty darn red. Those 3 to put in, and this is the first one where we do, and make sure that they get into those red edges as well. So as this is the nicest part to start, I'll start on that side to push it down. Wowzers, now we need to get that backing off. Wow. This is not as easy as I thought it would be, because you have to line it up properly. Wow. And I thought this was going to be easy. I'm going to start on this side. Let me just have a quick look at how that should fit. Not happy with that. Alright, that is as good as I can get it. I'm sorry about that. That's stage 36 done. So we're getting 38 out, and it's got to do with all the shift gear and pedals for the gas and brakes and stuff like that. So let's have a look what we're doing. We're starting with that one and putting that pedal right there. That's the gas pedal right there with a EP. That's in like so. And then we're putting that one and that one together with a CP. That is not a CP but a GP. Just the one. Then we're putting that spring on. Then getting some HPs out because we're putting that on like so. So you push that pedal through, so it moves like that. Let's have a quick look at that and do that and neatly push it all out. Alright, so we're putting that one on with the cable down, like so, and then we're pushing this one on like so. Well, I'll show you that. Like so, with that up, and then we're putting 2 HPs in there again. Now this is not the right way. That switch needs to be able to move. So I had a little bit of a check and a look around because that switch needs to work, and I had it not working. That is not it, and it's not working. We're pushing that switch down so much. Alright, that's a little bit stupid of me. It needs to be this way around with that poking up to that. So this one is actually pointing the same way as the switch. This way the switch is working. The other way around I stuffed it up. We're putting it on this side. Most probably another H screw. Now let's test that switch. Right, it works. Thought that was going there. And an H screw on the other side. What a guess. That is in. That going right there. And that's another H screw. Oh, that's an MP screw. The brake lever. Alright. Let's put that MP on the lower side of the car. As you can see me screw that in. And this is what we have. Put that one, we put that one on, and the carpets on, which don't look so much as you can see on this side. Now we're gonna put the carpet right here. Let's see if we can do that nicely this time. And there you go. And that's what we have done in these 4 stages up until 36. So I'll keep it at that, and I hope you will join me next time when I do some more on this beautiful Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing. And as you can see in the background, there's a lot more from on my channel, and check out that channel and like, subscribe, and pass it on. And I hope to see you next time. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye bye.